when you have your sleep appliance made, you get several different like sizes or settings almost. So it's like several different sleep appliances in one box. They all look the same, but there's like little different spacers in them, like physical spacers that allow you to position your lower jaw and upper jaw in slightly different ways to really dial in the proper alignment for you to prevent snoring. I got used to it within one night's sleep. It was pretty straightforward, and now it's strange if I go to bed just forgetting it. It's like something feels different to me. So my wife is sleeping better, I'm sleeping better, we're all sleeping better, and that's what we asked for.